So let me teach you how to say doctor in Igbo language. Doctor is called dibia. 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 Be it the English doctor or the native doctor, they are generally called dibia. Now you differentiate the type of doctor you are talking about, the particular doctor you are talking about. So the English doctor is called dibia beke. Dibia beke. Dibia beke or dibia oyibo. Dibia oyibo. Now the native doctor is called dibia Igbo. Dibia Igbo or dibia omenala. Dibia omenala. That is the native doctor. But most people over here, when they hear dibia, they always think is a man or woman with, vast knowledge of nature or spirituality. But you can't change the fact that they are all called, both the English doctor or the native doctor, they are both called dibia. Now you differentiate the particular dibia you are talking about. Sure you understand. See you in the next video.